How to use Microsoft Excel in Microsoft 360. Crunching numbers or building reports. Excel in Microsoft 365 makes spreadsheet easier than ever. From formulas to charts to building templates, let's dive into how Excel can save your time and help you make sense of your day. How to open is choose a blank workbook or start from a template like budget or planner or calendar. Where you can get it is by simply going over here. You can see a workbook. If you tap on it, then your Excel will be turned on. Over here you can see a three-dot icon. There also you can see Excel. If you tap on it, Excel Cloud Microsoft will be opened. Over here you can see the recommendations of new designs that they have and budget lists, calendars, schedules, which one you want. You can also create a blank workbook over here like this.